If you see the warning ConfigType will damage your computer, you may have a browser hijacker. It's important to note that this same threat may also appear under the names ConfigTypefld and ConfigTyped. Browser hijackers are a type of unwanted software that modifies the web browser settings, leading to several issues. Why are browser hijackers potentially problematic, and how can you remove them from your device? Why are browser hijackers potentially problematic? Browser changes. Browser hijackers typically alter your browser settings like default search engine, homepage, and new tab setting, redirecting you to unwanted or potentially harmful sites. Privacy risks. They often track browsing history and collect personal information. This data can then be sold to third parties or used to target you with personalized ads. Potential security risks. By redirecting you to potentially harmful websites, browser hijackers can expose your systems to other threats. How do I remove browser hijackers like ConfigType from my device? Identify and uninstall the program. Go to the Applications folder on your Mac or Control Panel on Windows. Look for any recently installed or suspicious apps that might be associated with it. Clear browser cache and cookies. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can help remove any residual data left by the hijacker. Remove unwanted browser extensions or add-ons. Check the browser's extensions or add-ons list. Remove any extensions that are unfamiliar or that you don't remember installing. Reset browser settings. Open the affected browser and access its settings. Look for an option to reset the browser to default. Use antivirus or anti-malware software. Run a full system scan using reputable antivirus or anti-malware software. Preventing browser hijackers in the future. In order to keep your system protected from unwanted browser hijackers in the future, remember to regularly review and install programs and extensions. By doing so, you can identify and remove any unwanted software promptly. By understanding the risks associated with browser hijackers and knowing the steps to remove them, you can protect your device from unwanted changes, privacy risks, and potential security threats. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.